домовились наведать одно одного. Ginger lives in a big apartment building. She takes a train from New York. Як яно жить у вёсці? There are no big restaurants. Oliver lives in the country. He takes a car from the village to the nearest city. Як яно жить у городі? Too fast, too noisy. Which one do you prefer? Why? Unit 7, Lesson 1. In the city or in the country? У городі чи у вёсці? Ginger is back home. Ginger знов дома. Hello everyone! Welcome to our English lesson. Today we are going to talk about living in the city and living in the country. Так. Сьогодні ми поговоримо про те, як яно жить у городі і як яно жить у вёсці. It is so wonderful in the city, скаже нам Джинджер на гэтому року, бо яна вярнулася дадому у родны любімы Нью-Йорк, які яна так моцна любіць. It is so wonderful in the country, напіша ёй яе новы прыяцель Олівер з фермы у Техасе, Сен-Бернар. А вы, сябры, дзе жывяцё? У горадзе ці ў вёсцы? Do you live in the city or in the country? Which one do you prefer? Why? Important words. Важныя словы. Вы ўжо здагадаліся, напэўна, якая чарговая прыгода чакае Джинджер? Не? Падарожжа на ферму ў Тэхас, вядома, да Олівера. Насамрэч, Олівер і Джинджер дамовіліся наведаць адно аднога. Таму і Олівер прыедзе да Джинджер у Нью-Йорк, і Джинджер да Олівера. They are going to visit each other and see how their lives are different. Наша задача будзе паслухаць іх уражанні і запоўніць таблічку. Нью-Йорк, плюсы і мінусы. The farm in Texas, ферма ў Тэхасе, плюсы і мінусы. Але спачатку словы, якія дапамогуць нам зразумець гісторыі Джинджер і Олівера. A city – горад. A town – мястэчка, горад паменш. A village – вёска. Modern – сучасны. Old – стары. Dirty – брудны. Clean – чисты. Healthy – здоровы. Unhealthy – нездоровы. Pen pals – сябры па перапісцы. Ginger and Oliver are pen pals. They write letters to each other and tell each other about their lives. They are very curious about each other's places and want to see them for themselves. So they decide to visit each other during the summer holidays. Ginger lives in a big apartment building on 5th Avenue in New York. She likes the city because it's beautiful and modern. There are many things to do and see in the city, such as museums, parks, cinemas, shops, and restaurants. She goes to the park on foot every day. She has many friends and neighbors in the city. Now, Oliver. Oliver lives in the country, in the small village near Austin, Texas. Город таки есть, Остин, у штате Техас. He lives in a cozy old house with a big garden. The house is old but very clean. He likes the country because it's quiet and peaceful. There are many animals and plants in the country, such as cows and sheep, chickens, flowers and trees. He runs around the fields every day. He has a few friends and relatives in the village. Comparing – порівняння. Ну що ж, Давайте теперь заполним нашу табличку. Нью-Йорк – плюси і мінуси, і ферма у Техасі – плюси і мінуси. Спочатку плюси життя у великому городі у Нью-Йорку. It's beautiful and modern. There are many things to do and see in the city, such as museums, parks, cinemas, shops, and restaurants. There are many friends and neighbors. Тепер плюси життя у вьосці, на фермі у Техасі. A cozy house with a big garden. It's old but very clean. It's quiet and peaceful. There are many animals and plants in the country, such as cows, sheep, chickens, flowers and trees. А що ж з мінусами? Що кепскага можна знайсці ў горадзе і што кепскага ў вёсцы? Пра гэта нам яшчэ нічога не сказалі. Давайте паслухаем гісторыю пра тое, як Джинджер едзе ў вёску да Олівера і паспрабуем запомніць, што ж ёй там прыйдзецца не даспадобы. Visiting Oliver on his farm in Texas. Наведваючы Олівера на яго ферме у Техасі. Ginger goes to the village first. She takes a train from New York to Austin, and then Oliver's friend picks her up by car. She's very excited to see the country for the first time. She thinks the country is very different from the city. She sees that the country is so green. There are fields and farms everywhere. But she also sees that the country is quiet. It is too quiet. There are few cars and people. There are no big restaurants. There are no cinemas there. Oliver shows Ginger around the village. They have a lot of fun together. They play with the animals, pick some flowers, ride bikes, and have a picnic. Ginger enjoys the simple and relaxing life in the country. She thinks the country is healthy, but she misses, ее не хапає, и она сумує по, she misses the big city. She misses New York. Ну як? Якія мінуси життя у вёсцы ви запомнили? Чаго не хапала Джинджер на ферме у Техасі? Правильно. It is too quiet. Там занадто тихо. There are few cars and people. Там мало машин і мало людей. There are no big restaurants. Там нема великих ресторанів. There are no cinemas there. Там нема кінотеатрів. Visiting Ginger in New York. Навідуючи Джинджер у Нью-Йорку. Тепер давайте послухаем про падарожжа Олівера у Нью-Йорк. Чаму ж яму можа не падабацца ў вялікім горадзе? Чаго яму можа там бракаваць? Якія мінусы гарадскога жыцця ён заўважыць? Oliver goes to the city next. He takes a car from the village to the nearest city, Austin, and from there he goes by train all the way to New York. Then Ginger picks him up by bus. He's very nervous to see the city for the first time. He thinks the city is very different from the country. He sees that the city is big. It is too big. Some streets are dirty. There are too many streets. There are no fields. He also hears that the city is noisy. Ginger shows Oliver around the city. They have a lot of fun together. They visit some museums, parks, cinemas, shops and restaurants. Oliver enjoys life in the city, but he misses his village. He thinks the city is too fast, too noisy and unhealthy. Ну як? Якія мінуси життя ў горадзе вы запомнілі? Чаго не хапала Оліверу ў Нью-Йорку? Правильно. It is too big. Він занадто великий. There are too many streets. Там занадто шмат вулиць. Some streets are dirty. Некоторые вулицы брудные. There are no fields. Там нема полёў. It is noisy. Ён шумны. It is unhealthy. Ён нездоровы. Your turn. Ваша чарга. Now it's your turn to compare the city and the country. Цяпер ваша чарга. Паглядзіце на нашу табліцу. Плюсы і мінусы. Жыцця ў вялікім горадзе, Нью-Йорк, і плюсы і мінусы жыцця ў вёсцы, так бы мовіць, in the country альбо in the village. Падумайце, калі ласка, што вам бліжэй да сэрца? Жыццё ў горадзе ці ў вёсцы? І чаму? Where do you prefer to live? Я про сябе скажу. I prefer to live in the city. Big cities are beautiful. There are many things to do in a big city. I can go to the cinema or to a museum. I can eat in a cafe and I can meet a lot of friends in the city. New words of the lesson. Новые словы гэтага урока. Ну што ж, сябры, вось мы і завяршаем наш урок. Спадзяюся, вам спадабалася і ў вялікім горадзе Нью-Йорк, і на ферме ў Тэхасе. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned something new. Давайте занатуем наши новые словы у словнички. A city – город. A town – местечко. A village – вёска. Modern – сучасный. Old – старый. Dirty – брудный. Clean – чистый. Healthy – здоровый. Unhealthy – нездоровый. Thank you for your attention and participation. Дякую за вашу увагу і вашу працю. See you next time. Bye-bye!